Kyoto, a place where Japan's past still lives in the present. Planning a trip here can feel overwhelming. With just 2 days, every stop matters. I mapped out the perfect itinerary that balances iconic temples, quiet streets, and unforgettable food. Start your day at Kiyomizu-dera, an ancient wooden marvel perched on the hills of eastern Kyoto. From the famous terrace, you'll get a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city unfolding below you. Be sure to arrive exactly at 6 a.m. Seeing this at dawn is the only way to experience the magic without the crowds. From Kiyomizu-dera, it's a short downhill walk to Yasaka Pagoda, the iconic symbol of the Arashiyama district. Wandering these preserved stone streets feels like stepping back into the Edo period. It's the most photographed spot in the city for a reason, so take your time and soak in the history. Next, check out Kodaiji Temple, a tranquil Zen masterpiece founded by the wife of one of Japan's greatest historical leaders. It features its own private bamboo grove, allowing you to capture that iconic look without the massive crowds. Then, head to Gion for lunch and explore the historic heart of Kyoto's geisha district. We stopped for okonomiyaki at Gion-dan-ran. It's the perfect spot to try the savory pancake without the insane wait times you'd find in Tokyo or Osaka. After lunch, head over to the famous Philosopher's Path, a stone walkway that follows a cherry tree-lined canal and passes through many temples along the way. It's named after the 20th century philosopher Nishida Kitaro, who used this route for daily meditation. It's the perfect place to reset and enjoy the quieter side of the city. We ended the day attending a ramen noodle making class with Musoshin Gion. The instructors were incredibly friendly, and we had a great time learning how to make ramen from scratch. It's the perfect hands-on break from temple hopping, and don't worry, you do get to eat ramen after. Start your second day by making the trip to the iconic Fushimi Inari shrine, famous for its thousands of vermilion gates. I highly recommend going in the early morning. To get those clean shots without the crowds, you'll want to be here by at least 7 a.m. Next up, take a short train ride out to Arashiyama. Be prepared for large crowds here as it's one of the most popular spots in Japan. Finally, head over to Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. This Zen temple is literally covered in gold leaf and is one of Kyoto's most breathtaking sights. If this helped you plan Kyoto, save it for your trip. And if you enjoy cinematic travel guides like this, subscribe. I'm sharing more from Japan next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.